Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize a Bluetooth headset with Windows 11, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize a Bluetooth headset with Windows 11, begin by turning on your Bluetooth headset. Ensure that your headset is in pairing mode. Consult the device's user manual for instructions on how to enter pairing mode if needed. On your Windows 11 PC, click the Start menu located in the bottom left corner. Select Settings from the menu. In the Settings window, click on Devices. In the Devices section, choose Bluetooth and Devices from the left sidebar. Toggle the Bluetooth switch to the on position if it's not already enabled. Once Bluetooth is enabled, click on Add Device. A new window will appear, prompting you to select the type of device to add. Choose Bluetooth from the list of available options. Your PC will start scanning for nearby Bluetooth devices. Wait for your headset to appear in the list of devices. Click on your headset's name to start the pairing process. Follow any additional prompts that appear on the screen to complete the pairing. Once connected, you will see a confirmation message indicating that your headset is ready to use. To ensure your audio plays through the headset, right-click the sound icon in the taskbar. Select Playback Devices from the menu that appears. In the Playback tab, find your Bluetooth headset in the list. Right-click on your headset and select Set as Default Device. Confirm that your audio is now routed through your Bluetooth headset. You can now enjoy audio from your Windows 11 PC through your Bluetooth headset. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.